the Animal Hunter, featuring Shira Levy, me, and cameraman Alex Levy.
Hi.
And now we are going to go on an adventure to find animals in this wild environment.
More like
What? Don't talk smart with me. Follow me.
Is it good?
Yes, it's fine. Now, we are going to venture in the depths of the forest before anything else. Because I have suspicion we'll find something there. As you might be able to see, we are venturing downwards in the room. What the hell is that? Look at that. Shh, I think it might be sleeping. I think we might be able to sneak by. I don't know what the hell that is, but it looks like it could possibly hurt us or electrocute us. I don't know why I get that idea.
Dun, 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 dun,
Alright,
dun.
Alright. I hope you can hear me, because if you can't after we shoot this, that would suck. Alright.
That's an extra voice.
What? Whatever. Alright. Onward. Adventures.
Looks like them.
I think that they are either mates or brothers or sisters or whatever. I would clarify that as the Dogicus Scubicus.
And their paws are together.
Alright. I think that's enough for down here. Now let's go back this way and try not to wake anything up.
I think we already have.
Shh. Make sure you're showing me up.
Sorry.
Wait, no.
You're going too fast. Is it good?
Oh, by the way, in case you're inquiring why I am wearing this bathrobe, it is because most of these animals are more comforted with the color purple. For some odd reason, I don't know. Did I hear that? Did you hear something?
It's a natural.
It's a catechus house catechus. Oh my god. Look, maybe we can pet it.
Can we?
Careful, it's deadly. Turn it up a little bit. It is very deadly. Don't let its innocent looks deceive you at all. It could kill you in one swoop of its paw. This one appears to be female. We have to be very careful. It could bite me at any second. Alright, I'll put it down before it gets too agitated. Good catechus. Now, that means that there's another one. Where there's one, there's always another one somewhere. Let's continue looking. Let's go this way.
What will we find here?
Oh my god, look.
It's alive. It's.
Yeah.
What was this?
It appears to be a felinus lyncus. Basically, a really primal version of what we just saw. This one is even more dangerous, and I don't even want to attempt to go near it. It is extremely dangerous. So we will go this way.
Why is it sleeping? Why is it sleeping?
Although, I think it's okay, because it appears to be asleep. Yes, it does. Anyway, we're going to.
Just to be safe. As we all know, adventurers, we want to be safe.
Yes. A good adventurer is a safe adventurer.
And, whatever you call it. Experienced.
Yeah, experience too. That always helps. Don't try this at home, kids. We are very experienced specialists in these kinds of adventures. Oh, look, the cat. His kiss is right there.
The cat. A kiss.
Alright, we are going to go into this room.
We sure hope it doesn't follow us.
That's right. Oh, look.
A sleeping reptile.
Croc! It's a croc! Good luck.
Let's get closer.
It also appears to be sleeping. Oh my god.
I don't think these things are sleeping. Maybe because it's hibernation season.
Well, I think they're sleeping because it's dark out. Obviously.
That, and it's hibernation season.
Yes, it is winter, but crocodiles don't hibernate, stupid.
I thought they did.
No, they don't. Anyway, there's the catechus again. It keeps following us. I think it likes us for some odd reason. Maybe it's attracted. Maybe it's attracted.
Father! I'm surprised!
I was totally surprised by that. That was the father kiss of me a kiss.
And the father of me a kiss.
And the father kiss of the camera kiss. Man, this is.
This is funny. This is funny.
Yes, this is so funny. Okay, anyway.
Look over there. It seems to be the living place of the catechus.
Yes.
The condo.
It is the living place. I'm sorry, I'm getting in your shot. It's the living place of the catechus. Obviously, that's why it followed us here. That plus my awesome purple robe, which it seems to be attracted to. Alright, now.
Let's move on to higher ground.
Let's move on to upstairs. But before that, I have to warn you. It's probably upstairs. And I have to be extra quiet.
Because there is a bear sleeping.
Because usually in the upper levels of the forest there are sleeping animals that are even more dangerous than the ones that we have already seen. And we have to be very quiet. And hopefully you can hear me. Because that was...
Not only that, but not to mention that... Never mind. Let's look over here. See if there's anything over here. Nope, nothing there. Now.
That was fast.
Now we must be very quiet. Oh, we are venturing near the bear's cave.
Don't shoot.
We are venturing forth.
Look. It is the catechus. It seems to be wearing a protective coat of some sort. Probably for the winter.
Can I come in?
Yes. And it also seems to be laying with an animal companion right next to it that appears to be panda bear shaped. I knew. Maybe this one will let us pet it.
Want to drop it?
Well, stoop down. Don't be deceived by its cute looks. This one is also very deadly.
It could bite at any moment.
Alright, let's go back to where we started.
And
end our awesome adventure. Keep me in this.
I'm slipping out of my costume.
Anyway, this has been me, Shira Levy, as the Animal Hunter. Why are you holding it so low? As the Animal Hunter, and we have been on this totally awesome adventure that has led us to many animals, and I hope that you guys have learned many things. And be careful, and remember, don't try any of these things. at your home.